Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and I'm going to fly my E-flite UMX Pitts. This is going to be the last flight with this airplane. A friend of mine reached out and is wanting to buy this airplane, so I can buy other new airplanes. I'm going to go ahead and sell this to him. I'm excited to get one more flight on this thing. It is so much fun to fly. Let's do it. All right, I just got done flying the Hobby Zone Cub S2. That was a lot of fun, but man, this is way more fun, I guarantee it. Throttle cut off, and safe is off. Let's go. You can see this plane can zip. It takes up a little more room than that Cub does. Again, safe is off. The little 3S motor in this will get those birds going. Ooh. You see the moon out. It is a little bit later, and you might be getting some shadows, but man, this airplane is so much fun to fly. And I did wait until almost too late to get out here. You can see it gets out there, and many people make comments about my vision, and I will say I can see it out there. You guys might have lost it, but I can see it plenty good. I'm bringing it in here close for you guys. But man, this airplane, it flies so good. I can see that I do have just a little bit of left rudder in my trim, and so it is tracking to the left just a little bit, and when I do this, I can see the tail hanging down. It's kind of wanting to go into that knife edge, because that's what you do, is use the rudder for that knife edge. And pick that throttle up as I get out there just a little ways. One nice thing about getting my vision fixed is that means I can get the Mamba night version out and fly with the lights on, because it was getting a little bit sketchy with the cataracts flying in the dark with that airplane. Even though the lights are crazy bright on it, I was struggling. So you can see this airplane flies so good. And my friend, he's gonna get a great airplane. His name's Dean, and he lives near me. And I think his son was wanting to try this airplane out, so I'm super happy to be able to help them out with that. Let's fly it around that lamppost and bring it in here nice and close. She's flying so good. I'm flying it on the 3S 300 milliamp hour battery by Spectrum. It's not smart, but man, it's a great little airplane, great little battery and motor combination. This can be flown on the 2S. As you can see, I'm about half throttle, and probably about here would be 2S flight. So you can see it handles just fine at this speed. That's about half throttle on the 3S. But boy, if you really want to, let's go full up. It's really climbing up there. I let off. It was still climbing. Woo. It was really close. I did finally, if anybody's interested, I did finally bring in a replacement rod. I kept forgetting to bring it with me, but I got it out here now for them. I don't even know if anybody at the church knows that I broke the one, but I've replaced it. Look at that. Man, I love this airplane, but you always got to make room for new airplanes in the hangar when you want to fly new airplanes. And as much as I fly, I can't keep them all. And somebody else is going to enjoy this now. So unlike the Hobby Zone Cub S2, this one prop and motor on it is balanced almost perfect, man. It is really finely tuned. It hums so nice. And this thing, man, it is a little rocket ship if you want it to be. Just love flying it. What a blessing today, man. 72 degrees. The sunshine most of the day, but the clouds came in and helped the wind calm down. Oh, I'm so happy. My face might be red. I had to cough. Anyways, I appreciate all you guys' support. Thank you for watching the videos. I just love being out here flying RC, and hopefully you guys enjoy the hobby too. Until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.